Hey everyone, welcome to my channel How To. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami beating heart. And it looks like this when it's beating. Okay, so the first step is just fold it in half from bottom to top. Just like that. And then turn it over. And then fold this corner to the middle. Just like that. And then fold this corner to the middle as well. Just like that. And then turn it over and fold it in half vertically. Just like that. And then unfold. And then we're going to take this flap up and let this part of the flap just come undone like that. And then align this edge with the middle crease. And do the same with the other side. Tug on this flap and let the underside get pulled out. And then align the edges with the creases, just like that. Make sure you don't crease too hard that it makes lines on this layer here. So now turn it over, and then we're kind of gonna make like a mini kite base. So just make a small like pull on the paper and then flatten it, adjust it if needed to make sure that all the creases and edges align like that. And then fold this triangle up and then back down again. And before we do the next step, just make sure that the top side is the side with both of these layers like that. Okay, so now we're going to take both of these layers and fold it down to this point here, just like that. Do the same with the other side, just like that. The better you align it, the more symmetrical the heart will be. So now fold this point to here. Try and make it straight and even with the other side when we fold this point over. And if you see that's symmetrical enough, then we're going to pull this flap out, lift this part up and put it underneath the paper. And then just push all the way in and flatten it. So again, pull this flap up and put it underneath, just like that. And then flatten it. And then turn it over. And there'll be just one more step. Just kind of finesse this heart. So just fold the edges over, whatever looks right to you. So I'm just going to make a few more small creases there to just make it a bit more circular, just like that. And on the other side as well. So that's what it looks like. So now how to make it beat. So turn it over and put this triangle up, just like that. And then put your index finger and your thumb on this triangle like that. And then just pinch. And then it should beat like that. Like that. And if there's something wrong with the front, you can just pop both of the sides out a bit like that. And then it should just beat. And yeah, so that's how you make a beating heart. And then you can also use it as like a stand on this side or the other. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!